Hello beautiful people, welcome back to another beautiful video. In this video I'm doing a Christmas green polygel nails. I'm just cutting the nails and I'm going to shape both sides of the nails because I want a cylindrical shape on the pinky. Okay, so now I went in with my sanding band just to take out the shine from the nails. How you guys doing? Welcome back to my video. Okay, I already did the prepping off camera, so yeah, I'm going to show you guys all the stuff that I'm going to be using for this video. It's a green polygel nail video. Okay, those are the stuff I'm going to be using: my nude, my clear, my Makartt white polygel, and the glitters that I'm going to be using. So first, I already did my primer off camera. I did everything just to make the video very fast. So I'm applying my white polygel first, and then I'll go in with my glitter just to create a glitter and a white polygel design on the pinky. Okay, so after doing this, I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So now I'm going in with my clear polygel. When I apply my clear polygel on the nails, then I'll apply my glitters on the nails, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So now I'm going to move into the other nails. I'm going to start applying, I'll first of all apply my clear polygel on the nails, which is the 4 nails. And then after applying my clear polygel, I'll apply the glitters to the nails, and then I'll cure them for 60 seconds. After that, I'll do an ombre because it's going to be a glitter ombre polygel nails. Okay, so I'm just doing this, and then I'm not going to cure it. I'll start applying the glitter like I'm doing right now. I'm going to start applying the glitter. After applying the glitter, then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. Now I'm gonna go with my nude polygel. All the stuff are gonna be linked down below. Okay, so this is my nude polygel, also from Amazon. I love this polygel a lot, so I'm just gonna use it to create an ombre. First, I'll walk around the cuticle areas, and then I'll slightly push down the nude to the green areas of the nails. After that, I'll just adjust it, make it look nice, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. Okay, you can also with this I applied 2 times. You cannot do it 1 time, or you can do it 2 times, just to make the nude area very thick and make it pronounced more than the green area of the nails, because it's an ombre. After all of this, I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So I'm done applying all the glitters to the nails and carry them, and applying the nude to create an ombre. I'm just going in with my clear polygel. I'm going to apply it on all the nails, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So guys, that's my slip solution. I'm just going to use it to clean the surface of the nail so that when I start filing, it doesn't damage my hand file. You know, polygel is very sticky, so you can use your rubbing alcohol or your slip solution to clean the surface of the nail. So now I'm going to go in with my hand file to start filing the nails. I'm still using my Makartt hand file. I'm going to file the surface of the nails, both sides of the nails, and all around the nails. I'm only going to file 2 nails on camera, and the other ones will be off camera. Okay, so just relax and watch me do this. I'm gonna go with my e-file to file the nails. I'm gonna file around the surface of the nails. I'm gonna file the cuticle areas and also inside of the nails. Please guys, whenever you are doing this, be very careful because it's very sharp so you don't cut the person, okay? So now I'm gonna go with my sanding band just to file around the surface of all the nails. Also went in with my buffer to buff all the nails. So then after buffing the nails, I'm going to ask her to go wash her nails, and then I'm going to get into the design. So guys, I have my matte top coat, my glossy top coat, my white gel, and also my glitter. Okay, I'm just going to create a very simple design, and I have that sticker for sweater. That's a sweater sticker I'm going to be using. I'm just taking some of my white gel, and then I'm going to start designing the nails. So that's my matte top coat. I'm going to apply it on all the nails, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So guys, I'm gonna start creating the designs. After creating the design, I'm gonna pour some of the glitter on the nails, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to go with my top coat. I'll apply it on all the nails, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. I'm going to apply my cuticle oil on all the nails, and there you guys will see the beautiful look of these nails. Guys, this is the end result of these nails. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a try, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.